Hi everyone, I'm going to unbox our new Christian Light Education Math 5 program today. I just ordered it last Friday. It came yesterday, which was Thursday. So for free shipping, that was pretty fast. And today I'm going to show you what I got. Welcome to our homeschool table. My name is Jerilyn. I am a homeschooling mom of 3 kids, ages 11, 4, and 2. And I like to share all about our homeschool curriculum and everything that's going on here. So I hope that you'll click that subscribe button and stick around. So halfway through last year, when my oldest daughter was in 5th grade, we switched math curriculums in February, kind of the middle point of the school year. So I decided at that time that even though she kind of tested between Math 4 and Math 5 last year, I went ahead and bumped her down to Math 4 because I really wanted her to gain some more confidence in her math skills because it had gotten really frustrating for her. So we have used Math 4 from February all the way through now, which is the end of September. She has one more light unit left of Math 4, the 10th one, and then we will be moving on to this. So let me show you what I got. Okay, so the first thing that I got here is the Intermediate Math Reference Chart. This is for grades 5 through 8, and it's a double-sided laminated reference chart that has all sorts of information on here that kids might need between the grades of 5 and 8. We used the elementary version of this, which was 2nd grade through 6th grade, I believe, and we've really liked using it, and it's been very helpful for my daughter. So I went ahead and bought this one for the next level. Okay, so right on top are the first 5 light units. This program has 10 light units total. Each of them have 17 lessons, and so that's why they're so small, but they're just really nice because you feel really accomplished when you finish one, and my daughter really likes to be able to kind of get that one done and put it away and get the new one out. So these take us about 3 weeks to complete, maybe just a little bit more than that if I have her do all the quizzes, but we really like this program. So this is 501, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and you might notice this is a new cover because Christian Light is updating all of the covers of their light units, and Math 5 was one of the first ones I think that they have done. There are other like science courses and things that they're redoing as well. So here's the first 5 light units. Then we have the next set of light units. This is light unit 506 through 510, and same thing, they're just small little workbooks, and they go through those one at a time. And then the last thing here in my box is empty now. These are the answer keys. I went ahead and just ordered the answer keys instead of getting the full teacher's guides because with previous subjects that I've taught, like reading 4 and 5, I found that I didn't really need the whole teacher's guide. I didn't really reference it that often. I mostly just used it as an answer key. So when I ordered Math 4 last year, I decided to try just the answer keys, and it worked out really well for us. These light units, they teach the new concept very well. I'll just give you an example here. So in book 506, here's the new teaching for lesson 1, and then a little bit of practice right here. And then it starts into the We Remember section, and that goes all the way to the end of the lesson. If I can turn the page here. So here's the full lesson. It's a page and a little bit for the new teaching, and then everything else is review. So I found that it is just fine to teach from the light unit, so I didn't wind up getting the teacher's guide. So these answer keys are for books 501 to 505, and then 506 to 510. And these, like I said, are just the answer key, so it just gives you the answers. And some of the problems do have solutions kind of worked out for you, but not all of them. So if you need that, it's probably better that you get a teacher's guide. I found that this was just fine for us. It also has answer keys right in the middle for the quizzes and tests. So all of that is right here for you. Now, that is all that I got from Christian Light this time around, but I would love to know what you are using for math this year. And if you would like to leave an emoji down below, if you don't really have anything to say, go ahead and leave something math related, a math symbol or something like that. If you have any questions about this program, I'm happy to answer them, but do know that I am going to be making a full flip through, not of every page of every light unit, but I'm going to show you inside of the program and kind of how it works here in a couple of weeks. So let me know if you have any specific things that you want me to address when I do that video. But otherwise, thank you so much for hanging out with me today at our homeschool table, and we'll see you next time.